Hi guys, so today with me I have this chair that I received through Amazon Vine. As always, these are items sent to me to test and share my honest experience. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. This is a folding portable high back camping chair by LENCE. And before I actually show you guys this chair, I want to address something that I noticed while reading through the Amazon reviews. I did see that some people mentioned that the chair was difficult to put together, and I just wanted to share that the first time you assemble it, it can seem a little confusing because it's designed differently from the usual pop-open camping chairs that most of us are used to. But I will say this, your first attempt might take a little more time. However, once you figure out how the frame connects and how the cover stretches over it, you realize it's actually very straightforward. So after that first setup, it becomes so much easier and even kind of fun to assemble. Now let's talk about the chair itself. So we got to try this chair out and it's very sturdy. The fabric cover is very strong. Once you stretch it over the frame, it sits tightly and securely. It doesn't feel loose or flimsy at all, nothing close to that. It feels very supportive. And one thing I really like is that it has an oversized side pocket. So that makes it really convenient, for holding your phone, your water bottle, your snacks, or even a small book. It also has a resting pillow pad at the top, which makes a big difference if you're sitting for a while. The legs are adjustable, which is really cool. So you can adjust them to 3 different levels depending on what height you want. You can also use the chair without the legs. So whether you're short or tall, you can set it to a position that feels comfortable. You can use it without the extended legs or use the first level, second level, or third level. That flexibility makes it very versatile. Bonus, it holds up to 400 pounds, which is really impressive. So it's definitely designed to accommodate a wide range of body types. It's also roomy enough for taller people. The high back design gives you good support, especially if you want to lean back and relax. Another feature I like is that you can secure it into the ground when you're outdoors. So it has support legs that are designed well for outdoor use. So whether you're at a camping site, a beach trip, your kids' sports games, or even just, relaxing in your backyard, it feels stable. You can even place a small table in front of it, use it as a comfortable outdoor work chair if you want. It's stylish and it looks different from the typical camping chairs, which, I personally like. And when you're done, it's easy to take apart and pack away. It comes with a carry bag, which makes it easy to store in your trunk or keep in your car for your hiking trips, your beach trips, or, camping adventures. Overall, this is a comfortable, versatile, and portable high back camping chair. If you're willing to spend a few extra minutes on that first setup, I think you'll appreciate how sturdy and adjustable it is. Definitely a chair worth giving a chance.